Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain simple ways to avoid sexual harassment at workplace. First of all, the question is, what is the meaning of sexual harassment at workplace? The sexual harassment is a comprehensive term that incorporates each and every activity that an employee, worker, especially female, unwillingly faces at a workplace. However, this act has to be personal in nature, either directly or indirectly, so it can be defined as sexual harassment is directly or indirectly related to victimization or coercion of a sexual nature, especially in a workplace environment. It also means unwelcome or inappropriate promises of rewards, gifts in exchange of sexual favors. Now, the next question is, what is the nature of a sexual harassment at workplace? Sexual harassment is illegal, immoral, unethical, and an offensive act. Sexual harassment can be categorized as verbal. It means passing unacceptable, filthy, or immoral jokes, comments, remarks, etc. Visual, showing obscene videos, photos, emails, texts, gestures, etc. And physical, unnecessarily and inappropriate touching by any means. Now, the next question is how to ascertain it is a sexual harassment or a simple friendship. Primarily, there is a thin line difference between this illustration of a friendship and sexual harassment that all you need to understand by the intention of the friend harasser. However, following are some of the significant activities that can help you to differentiate between a simple favor, friendship, or sexual harassment. Attempting to socialize unreasonably by asking for coffee, lunch, or asking for a selfie, passing nasty comments, offering for a lift, gift, etc. More often, when someone, usually a colleague, unreasonably or superfluously interfering in your work despite you refuse to take help. Next, more often when someone, usually a colleague, knowingly or and implicitly affects your employment by any means, such as complaining to your boss, diffusing rumor, etc. Next, offering unexpected, untimely promotion or demotion, salary hike or curtail of salary, rewards or punishment, gifts, etc., usually by your boss, can also be related to sexual harassment. When someone, normally your senior boss, directly, indirectly creates hostile, intimidating, or offensive situation in course of your employment without giving proper reason, that may also be related to sexual harassment. Now, next question is, once you are confirmed that it is a sexual harassment, what to do? Step 1. Remember, as soon as you come to know that someone is crossing your limit, do not ignore, but rather warn immediately in a humble language and courteous way. Here, I would like to explain the term limit. It means your moral, ethical, and the parameter of your social and personal life. This limit depends on the culture in which you have grown up. Therefore, it is very much possible that some comment may be a simple joke for others, but for you, it might be an offense. So respect your limit and do not go by others' limit. So you should not ignore anyone's unwanted behaviors of any sort that you didn't like anyway. Rather warn, stop him directly but politely and at the same moment. You might say that you do not like such kind of jokes, acts, so please avoid behaving with me in such a way. However, in spite of your warning, if someone keeps repeating his acts, comments directly or some other way, then approach to your grievances cell and in the lack of this, contact or approach directly to your boss employer. If you still feel that your problem has not been addressed or ignored, you need to take legal help by filing a report against the harasser at a local police station. Now, next question is how to avoid, escape, or protect oneself from a sexual harassment. Of course, in a country like India, it is not at all an easy task to face harasser audaciously or boldly. This is one of the reasons that harassers get encouraged. However, if you are a working woman, you have to be confident, vocal, and assertive. You should not ignore anyone's even a single first-time minor jokes, comments, remarks at any cost. If you didn't like, stop him right away. Even a simple ignorance may create problems for you in the future. As soon as you come to know about someone's unwanted behaviors, better to avoid the company of such person. Keep distance. If it is not official, simply ignore him. Lastly, keep some legal knowledge of your rights and also about the basic legal action against the harasser. Now, the next question is, what are the laws against the sexual harassment? In India, following are the significant laws against sexual harassment. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 made sexual harassment an expressed offense under the Section 354A of Indian Penal Code. According to this section, sexual harassment is punishable up to 3 years of imprisonment and/or with fine. Next, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013. This act has identified sexual harassment as a violation of the fundamental rights of a woman, as it violates right to equality under Articles 14 and 15 and right to life and to live with dignity under Article 21 of the Constitution of India.